When you first start to implement POL in your organization, it can be beneficial to do so with an infrastructure much like a lean organization. While no infrastructure will exist and be perfect right from the start, the infrastructure that we will share in this lecture will be a good starting point for you. You can then pivot from there and move forward. Keep in mind that even before an improvement structure is in place, daily 5S should be occurring, and everyone should have an understanding of waste as well as has been involved in some type of improvement activity. This will really help make the changes visible. Once this starts, an infrastructure can be laid out. Many companies choose to implement as part of their infrastructure a place where improvements can be promoted. Some people call this a continuous improvement team, a lean improvement team, or any other name that you feel is appropriate. This team's core function is to support improvement activities, train others, and continue to keep the lean strategy alive. On the screen, you will see an example of how your lean infrastructure might start. As you look at it, take note that the individuals from the very top of the organization all the way to the front lines are immersed in continuous improvement education, and in our case, in POL system education. This will help when implementing your strategy. Over the next few modules, we will briefly introduce key roles, the improvement team's den, improvement time, improvement meetings, improvement lists, the Gemba, and Kaizen events. So, we'll see you in the next module.